Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through and show you how you can start an LLC in Mississippi. I'll briefly go over with you what an LLC is, some of the benefits that come along with having an LLC, and the 8 steps that you need to take to get your limited liability company set up and running. And also later in the video, I will show you and share with you another easier option that will completely streamline the entire LLC formation process for you. Now, the steps involved in forming an LLC are generally similar across all states, so you can still follow along with this video even if you're starting your LLC in another state other than Mississippi. So if you'd like to learn more about LLCs and how you can start one for yourself, this is the video for you. And now without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, what exactly is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a type of business structure that stands for Limited Liability Company. An LLC is perfect for startups and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people if you want your business taken seriously, you need to start an LLC. And that's because there are just so many benefits that come along with having an LLC. First of all, one of the main reasons that people start an LLC in the first place is because having an LLC limits your personal liability. Basically what this means is if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they can't come after your personal assets. So if for some reason you make a mistake or something goes wrong and you actually get sued by someone, only the assets that are inside of your LLC are actually at stake. That means that all of your personal assets, such as your home, your cars, your 401k, or anything that isn't tied to the business itself, will be completely safe. Another reason a lot of entrepreneurs choose to start an LLC is because with an LLC, you're able to raise outside capital easier. So if you're looking to get outside funding for your business, starting an LLC is probably a great option for you. And of course, LLCs also have some amazing tax advantages too, which is another main reason that a lot of people choose to start an LLC. That's because an LLC is what's known as a pass-through entity. So unlike other business entities such as S corporations, those get taxed twice, whereas with an LLC, you only get taxed once. Now, there are also a lot of other tax benefits that come along with having an LLC, but it differs from which type of business you're doing and differs from state to state, and I'm certainly no expert when it comes to that stuff. So when it comes to all of these different tax things, I highly recommend that you talk to your accountant and figure out what works best for you and your situation. So now I've gone over what an LLC is and some of the benefits that come along with having an LLC. How do you actually start one? Well, if you're going to go out there and do it yourself, it's going to require you to go through these 8 steps. Step 1 is you need to research and choose a name for your business. Step 2 is you need to choose a registered agent for your company. Step 3 is you need to file articles of organization. Step 4, you need to create and operate an agreement. Step 5 is to obtain necessary permits and licenses. Step 6 is to apply for an EIN or an employee identification number. Step 7, you're going to need to open up a business bank account for your LLC. And finally, step 8 is just to comply with ongoing requirements. Now, the process can vary slightly from state to state, so it is important to check the specific requirements for the state where you plan to register your LLC. But unfortunately, one thing that does stay consistent from state to state is the sheer amount of time and effort typically required to actually go through all of those 8 steps. You'll have to do the research for your particular state, gather all of the right documents for each one of those 8 steps, and then you're going to have to fill them in and file them properly in the correct places. For most people, this process is super confusing and stressful, and it can literally take you up to a few weeks, all the way up to a month to do. Now, while you obviously can't handle all of this yourself and go through those 8 steps, you might consider using an LLC formation service online like Tailor Brands instead, which can go through and make the entire process extremely streamlined and convenient for you. Now, those of you who aren't familiar with what Tailor Brands is, it's an amazing platform that I've been using for years now and recommend to everybody. That's because with Tailor Brands, you can get your LLC done in 5 to 10 minutes using their super easy and intuitive all-in-one platform. They even have things like a logo maker, a website maker, business card printing, merch branding, and so many other things that can help you with your LLC and with your business. Literally, they have everything that you need to get a full business up and running all from scratch. And one of their most exciting features, and the one you're probably most interested in seeing as you're watching this video, is Tailor Brands' new zero-cost LLC formation service. And yes, you are hearing that right. Tailor Brands actually has a free plan for their LLC formation service at the moment. Now, I obviously don't know how long this offer is going to last, so if you have been thinking about starting your LLC lately, I would highly recommend that you click the link in the description and jump on this as quickly as you can. Because instead of spending months of your time going through all of the 8 steps to set up your LLC, With Tailor Brands, you can get your LLC fully set up in 3 super simple steps that will take you less than 5 minutes to complete. Tailor Brands has literally done this hundreds and thousands of times and have developed an intuitive and user-friendly interface that will guide you through each one of the steps in the formation process, making it easy for anybody to complete the required steps. Let me hop on the computer here quickly and show you exactly how easy this actually is. So first, all you need to do is click the discount link that I provided for you in the description below this video. Then once you're on the website, step 1 is just to choose your state from the dropdown. So all I'm going to do here is click on the dropdown menu and choose the state where I'm going to form this LLC. Step 2, all you need to do is choose a business name. Simply type in your ideal business name and Tailor Brands will check for you right there on the website whether or not this name is available. Once you've found a name for your business, the third and final step is you're just going to need to answer a few questions about your business. You're going to be asked a few things like what services you're selling, what stage your company is at, if you have any employees, and if you do, how many. And finally, you're just going to give them your contact details, and that's basically it. Tailor Brands will then start the LLC formation process for you, and their team of experts will be there to guide you through every single step of the way. And you'll have your LLC set up in record time. Now, there are other LLC formation services out there online, but in my opinion, what really sets Tailor Brands apart from everybody else is that their LLC formation service also comes with a lot of additional benefits that I haven't really seen these other services offer. Some of the packages they have include access to their logo maker, their business card printing, and a whole suite of other useful tools that they have for you, all of which can help you establish a strong brand identity all from the get-go. Not only that, but with Tailor Brands, you also get access to their team of experienced professionals who are ready to support you every single step of the way. They're there to help you answer any questions that you have. They'll also provide you with personalized guidance from their experts to ensure a hassle-free and smooth experience. Tailor Brands also offers additional packages for those who want enhanced services for their company. These packages again include features like expedited processing, document delivery, and priority customer support. All of this will give you peace of mind and save you even more time setting up everything for your LLC. So if you would like to get your LLC completely set up for you, spending just 5 minutes of time, I'd highly recommend giving Tailor Brands a shot and take advantage of their $0 LLC formation offer, again, by using the discount link that I provided for you below this video. But as for this video, guys, that's just about it. Now, if you do have any questions about forming your LLC or about Tailor Brands, feel free to drop me a comment down below on this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend or somebody who you know who's looking to start an LLC. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.